Hey there, aspiring gardeners. Want to learn a secret that can produce a limitless supply of fresh, delicious Irish potatoes right from your own home? Well, stick around because today I'm sharing a step-by-step, easy guide on how to grow Irish potatoes in bags. And trust me, this method is a game changer for space-smart, bountiful harvests. Imagine digging into a sun-warmed, harvest-ready potato just a few months from now, all from a simple bag. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need a large, sturdy bag. Anything like a big fabric grow bag, or even a sturdy burlap sack will do. Just make sure it's breathable and has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Next, choose high-quality seed potatoes. Look for healthy, firm tubers with eyes. Those little dimples that sprout. Cut larger seed potatoes into pieces, each with at least 1 or 2 eyes, and let them dry for a day or two to form a callus. Now fill your bag with about 4 to 6 inches of good, nutrient-rich soil. Irish potatoes love loose, well-draining soil, so a mix of garden soil, compost, and some all-purpose fertilizer works wonders. Here comes the fun part. Plant your seed potato pieces with the eyes facing up about 4 inches deep in the soil. Cover them gently with soil, mulch, and water lightly. As your potato plants start to grow, keep adding more soil or mulch, about 2 to 3 inches at a time. Each time they grow taller, a process called earthing up. This encourages more tubers to develop and keeps the potatoes covered and protected from sunlight. Pro tip: place your bag in an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Potatoes thrive with plenty of light. And make sure to water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Patience is key. Within a few weeks, you'll see lush green leaves sprouting. Keep the bag moist and healthy, and watch your potatoes grow into a bountiful harvest in just about 3 to 4 months. When the plants start to yellow and die back, it's time to harvest. To harvest, carefully peel back the bag and gently dig out the potatoes. No need to rush. Patience pays off. Brush off any excess dirt and enjoy your homegrown Irish potatoes. Plus, they taste amazing and are way better than store-bought. And here's a quick bonus. For even better results, rotate your planting location each season to avoid pests and disease, and always use organic methods whenever possible. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your potato growing adventures in the comments. I love seeing your success stories. And remember, with just a bag, some soil, and a little love, you can grow a delicious, bountiful potato harvest right at home. So go ahead, grab your supplies and start planting today. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Until next time, keep growing and keep smiling.